Hi, I'm Beth. Welcome to our tiny home. This model spoke to me in terms of layout. It's a craftsman style on the outside, which I really enjoy. I think the community here is part of the allure of tiny living. Everybody's electric is a little bit different, but mine is, I think it's $11 a month. So that's pretty reasonable. There is versatility in this home. There's the loft sleeping area and the downstairs. And I switch back and forth, usually seasonally. Hi, I'm Beth, and this is Kai. Welcome to our tiny home. We'd love to show you around. My inspiration to go tiny was simple life. I'm a minimalist at heart, and it just seemed right. It has everything I need, and the area was perfect, and obviously Tiny Tranquility is a great place to live. It is built by Trueform Tiny from Eugene. So this model spoke to me in terms of layout. I wanted a downstairs bedroom so I could have guests if I wanted to, or in the future I may want to just stay downstairs. And also the stairs were designed for my dog for easy access to the loft. I was able to pick all the finishes, the colors, the floor, the ceilings, all the trim on the windows. Everything was pretty much customizable. It's a craftsman style on the outside, which I really enjoy. I think it just looks absolutely perfect. The cost of this tiny, when I built it 6 years ago, was about $80,000. So originally when I got the tiny, I thought I'd be dragging it around the country and staying places, but after landing here, this is one of the most beautiful places I've ever been to, and I think it just fits. I have a van that I could travel in, but this is kind of like a little bit of a home base, and I enjoy that. Feel like I'm on vacation when I'm here. So I think the community here is part of the allure of Tiny Tranquility and part of the allure of tiny living. It feels like a community. We have seasonal get-togethers, we have hikes together, so it's really building a community that looks out for each other. My space rental is very reasonable. It's $625 a month. That includes all the common spaces, the greenhouse, the lodge, the fireplace, the pool table, laundry. It also includes your water, your septic, your garbage. The only thing that isn't included is electric, because everybody's electric is a little bit different. But mine is, I think it's $11 a month. So that's pretty reasonable. I want to talk a little bit about the exterior. It's the craftsman style home. These beautiful cedar corbels, nice accent. And also in the peak, the cedar shake. The door also cedar colored. The home is 24 feet by 8.5 feet wide, 13 and change on the ceilings at the highest point. I had this nice deck built, so we have a place to sit in the sun, me and the dog, me and some friends. It's a good spot. And here's the board and batten change and the siding, which I think gives it a lot of dimension. We're hooked up to water here. This is exterior hot and cold for good dog bathing. Exhaust vent for the stove. And also we have 2 40-gallon tanks of propane. They fuel the hot water heater and they last a long time. Here's our city water connection and electric right here. Some beautiful plantings around the property too. These wax myrtles grow really fast. Gives a nice shade cover. I added this small deck box. Keep some lounge chairs, some outdoor supplies, life jacket for the pup. And Kai has her own lounge space. She has her own raised bed, which is nice and comfy off the ground. Keeps her high and dry. Like a girl. Yeah. Good girl. So my tiny home is right next to the dog park, which is great for my dog and for me. However, other people have dogs as well, and my dog is very, very friendly. So my dog wants to see every dog in the dog park. So that could be at 6 a.m., it could be at 9 p.m. I've learned to kind of embrace that and allow her to be her own dog. It affords me an opportunity to meet people that not only live here, but are renting here, so I meet people from all over the country. It's a blessing and a little bit of a struggle, but I find it enriching. So this is our nature trail. It started out just as a game trail that the owner wanted to make into a little hiking trail for the residents and the guests. And then one summer, after my dog passed, I decided to help out and help build this trail and maintain it to this day. And it's named after my dog Colby. So now you've seen the outside, come on in, I want to show you the inside. Welcome inside. Let's step right into the kitchen. We have a washer-dryer combo. It vents to the exterior, works really well. I also use it as my laundry bin. So before I'm ready to wash, it's already in there, just load it up with some soap, good to go. I have this beautiful large farm sink. I like the look of it. The oil rub bronze fixtures were a pick of mine. So here you find some of my beach finds, some pieces of driftwood, kind of resemble little animals. I like those. And then these are all my agates that I've locally found, and I've tumbled them myself, so they're nice and shiny. Really special to me, because it reminds me of how special this place is. My compost bin, we do compost here at Tiny Tranquility. Backsplash, this sea glass tile was a pick of mine. I think it works well in the space. 4-top propane oven, it's gas. This has a lot of storage space in it. More counter space for prepping meals, for folding laundry. And a very large fridge, freezer as well. Has a lot of dog food in it. Let's come on to the bathroom.
Hi there, we interrupt this program for a quick word from our sponsor, Jaws, Just Add Water System. We're going to be using their products today to clean my wagon, which has been sitting outside and neglected for some time. Let's get started. All right, so I'm here with my Jaws caddy with all my favorite cleaning products. Jaws is the original refill pod cleaning system. This refillable technology has saved over millions of bottles from landfills. One of the Jaws products that I use the most in here is the glass cleaner because it's streak-free, fragrance-free, and safe to use around kids and pets. Simply refill your bottle to the water line, insert the refill, twist on the sprayer to release the concentrate, and you are immediately ready to clean. A full line of products includes a glass, kitchen, multi-purpose, hardwood floor, daily shower, foaming bathroom, granite, and disinfectant cleaners. They also carry a refillable dish spray and heavy-duty cream cleanser. These are concentrated cleaners, simply and safely delivered, and you get free shipping if you order over $35. So if you're interested in any of the Jaws products that we use today, make sure you check out the links in the description. But for now, let's get back to your regularly scheduled programming.
Let's come on to the bathroom. Pocket door, hidden away. Have a 30-inch shower, plenty of room. And a nice little sink. Beautiful window, I can look out onto the ocean. And a flush toilet, which I think is important, because we do have the hookup here for it. Welcome to the living space. Here's my dining room table. This folds down, so if I need extra space, I can use this whole floor to do some yoga, some exercise, whatever I like to do that day. I have a few other trinkets, and then this piece is a memorial piece. Actually, some of the ashes of my previous dog are incorporated into this glass piece. These blinds really work well. They go up and down, so you can let light in while keeping some privacy. The downstairs bedroom, queen size bed, nice and cushy, and storage behind the headboards. These drawers open up all the way, almost entirely to the back of the bed. Lots of storage for clothes. So it also has a storage loft up top. You could easily fit a twin bed up there if you really needed to. There's a ladder stored conveniently in the ceiling. Hooks right on for easy access. And of course, my comfy chair. Good spot. I didn't think I needed a couch that took up too much space, but there's plenty of seating. I have a television. I don't spend a lot of time watching it. Mostly I'm outside. But I do have Pandora for some music. I have some live TV, watching some shows or maybe a movie at night. Here is the dog area. Also, storage underneath the stairs, all things dog. Let me show you upstairs. As we lead, pictures of my previous dog, who this Tiny was originally built for. So she's here in spirit. Nice steps, great railing, very comfy. And enough headspace in here that I can do some work. I can be on the computer, I can read, and just hang out. Sometimes the dog likes to sleep up here with me or sleep up here by herself. We got a great view on both sides, all the way out to the field. We got 6 acres of space right outside that window, and the moon rises in that direction, so good space to be, nice and cozy. There is versatility in this home. There's the loft sleeping area and the downstairs. And I switch back and forth, usually seasonally. In the colder months, I'll sleep up here because heat rises and it stays a little bit warmer. But in the summer months, I'm downstairs where it's cooler and I get a good view of the dog park from there.
Thanks for watching this week's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you soon with another unique home tour.